Hello, girls and guys, and welcome back, all of you. Welcome back. Okay, let's talk some more about Animal Crossing New Horizons. Yeah. What is it exactly, you ask about that? Well, good question. That, my friends, will be that we are going to be talking about that I've got an idea for an in-game item for a. Actually, I've got an idea, yes, like about an in-game item. Yeah. Which is what we are going to be talking about is the Toolbox item. Yeah. What about that, you ask? Well, another good question. Well, for starters, I just want to point out is that, you know what would be really great about that item though? If that item, was to get, if that item, was to get an update for that. Yeah. Like, what exactly about that for the update? Well, I'm thinking that we could be able to use that toolbox, for storing, for other tools. Yeah. That we can make, you know how, I know that you all know, how to create your own tools. Yeah. But what about if we can, take a copied tools and put those, in there? Yeah. If we do that, then whenever we may need them, we can go to that toolbox and we can open it up from the A button. Yeah. But after that, then it will go to a screen that will show us the inside. It will show us what tools that we have already put in there. Yeah. So that way, whenever we want those tools, we can always get them straight from in that toolbox. Yeah. And we can be able to, we can make copies of those tools constantly. So that way, whenever we go down on them, we can always make more. Yeah. Because we all know about the resources that it needs. Yeah. So we can always go out and we can always gather those resources up. Yes. And speaking of which, we could put those resources in our homes, in our home storage. We could do that. We could. Like what we have been doing already. But what I'm thinking about for that part is for another update for that. Yeah. Because so that way we can be able to have a resources toolbox. So that way we can be able to always to keep all our resources in that type of a toolbox. Yeah. And we can be able to rename it. And we can call it as a resource toolbox. Yeah. So that way, whenever we may want to make something, we can take it out of that toolbox. And then we can be able to make that like straight from our DIYs. Like straight from our DIY workbench. Yeah. I'm wondering, what do you think about that? If you do like the idea, you know what to do. Give those comments down below. And also, don't forget to keep on reviewing. And also, while you're also at it, if you're new to this channel and you want to be part of this channel, you can always give your comments here. Yes. But remember, no negativity, okay? None. Because this channel is only about positivity. So let's just stay with that. And remember, I am Sophie. No, and remember, I am Xander. And also, while you're hitting the subscribe button, if you're new, while you're hitting that, also to hit that bell button beside it for that notification. Yeah. And I'll be seeing you all for more newer vids to come. Be seeing you and have yourself a great day.